So here is the best landing page website builder right now. In this video, we will be using lead pages. So before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out lead pages for free. So as you can see, we're currently in the website. And on the top here, we have the pricing section. If you go over to pricing, you can view all the plans that they offer, starting with Pro, Business, Grow, and Optimize. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans. But to start for free, just click on my link in the description. Now, I'll just head over to the dashboard. And as you can see, we're currently in the main dashboard. So let's start off by clicking on Create right here. After that, you'll be brought to this page. And as you can see, we have this prompt box right here. And right below this section, you can see some pre-made prompts you can start with. For example, if you click on this first landing page prompt, it will be applied onto the prompt box. You can edit it and run it right off the bat. After that, we have this tools section. You can go through them and connect any of these tools just by clicking on Connect. And they feature a lot of useful tools you can connect. Then we have this template section. You can click on the browse option and you'll be able to view all the templates that they offer. You can also choose from these options on the top, such as landing page. You will then get to see all the landing page templates available. Click on preview on whichever one that you want. You can then check out the page just like this. And if you like the template, just click on use template. Then it will be applied onto the prompt box. After that, just describe exactly what you want just like this. Make sure to describe exactly what you want in detail. And once you're done, you can then use any of these options to attach images, files, or even upload your own HTML files for lead pages to use. Then you have the integrations option again, followed by voice input. For now, let's just click on Create Page. After that, you'll be brought to this page. You can see your selected template in the background, and on the chat box, it says Thinking. So your prompt is now being applied onto the template. So this template will be customized according to your prompt, instructions, and requirements. It usually takes some time to finish up, so you need to be patient and wait it out. The time it takes usually depends on what kind of prompt you've put in. If it's more complicated, it takes longer. Also, as it gets done, you'll be able to view exactly what's happening right here on the chat box. So as you can see, our landing page is now ready. You can scroll through the page to check out exactly what it made. And honestly, it turned out really good. If you want to make further changes to your page, all you need to do is type in exactly what you want, just like this in the text box. For example, add a thank you page. And as you can see, it started thinking again. It will then process the prompt and do what you've instructed. You can also do the same thing manually by clicking on the plus icon and then choosing from these options. And right beside the plus icon, we have the brand kit option. You can choose from any of these options or even generate a style by putting in a prompt and clicking on generate. Then in the middle, we have the AI chat box option. After that, we have this optimize option that you can only use if you have a paid subscription. Lastly, we have insights, from where you can view all the analytics. So for now, let's go over to the page. So here, if you want to make any customizations, you can just click on the element that you want to make changes to, and you will get to see this pop up on the top right just like this, and you can go through each of these sections and make your desired changes. This way, you get full customization control. The options you see on the right may vary based on what element that you've clicked on. For example, if you now click on this image, you will notice that the options on this pop-up are different. You can now see options like object fit, object position, and more. So depending on each of the elements, you get all the controls you need. You can even change the color of each of them individually. Also, for the texts, you can select any of the text you want and then make your desired changes or replace the existing text into whatever you want. You can also change the text colors just like this. So once you're done making your changes, you can click on this preview button on the bottom, and then You can browse through your page and check it out exactly how a user would see it. You can also view it in different screens like tablet, mobile device, and PC. So once you're satisfied, just click on Publish on the bottom right and your landing page will be ready. And that's it. This is the best landing page website builder right now.